What's going on, guys? I want to put something on everyone's watch list for this week. Now, again, it doesn't have to confirm tomorrow. It doesn't have to confirm on Tuesday, but this level needs to be watched for anyone who plays stocks or options, and that stock is going to be NVIDIA. Now, NVIDIA is on a little bit of a back test. It is making lower highs. What I would like to see on NVIDIA is a little bit of a bounce, right, into some of this support, or excuse me, into some of this supply, and then lose Friday's lows. Now, Friday's lows is sitting down here. You can see on my 1 hour chart. We've also got a Bollinger Band sitting down here as well. So anything below this 475, 473, NVIDIA can flush, okay? This is a trade that you're going to want to be on. Now, again, what I would like to see personally is a little bit of a gap up in the overnight session on the futures. I'd like to see a little bit of a gap up on stocks. If NVIDIA starts pushing higher, 480s, mid 480s, and then starts to stall out and gets rejected, I'd like to see it start to lose this area, and I'm going to be short. Anything below, okay, anything below this 475.33, or if you want to wait a little bit longer, this Bollinger Band is going to move, but it's currently sitting at 473. What we need to see have happen is these lows get breached. When these lows get breached on a 5-minute time frame, okay, so 474.98 is the exact price. As soon as 474.98 gets breached on a 5-minute time frame, that new low that gets put in, that becomes my indicator, that becomes my alert, that becomes my entry to go short. Okay, I'm gonna look to take $1, $1.50, $2, $2.50 off this stock. Again, size yourself appropriately so you can withstand the moves. Again, NVIDIA is not a $50 stock, it's not a $100 stock. This thing can fly, so it's going to move 10, 15, 20 points in a day up and down. So make sure you can kind of withstand those bounces and those pullbacks and this, that, and the other. But again, that's what I want everyone to kind of watch for this week. That's what I'm going to be watching. I'm kind of throwing it out there now before price action gets there. Any type of green open, a bounce, any type of gap up, I'm going to look for it to get rejected somewhere between the mid 480s and even 490s, guys. And as soon as we start to come back down and we break this price here of 475, 474 90s, and we put in that new low on a 5-minute time frame, when that gets confirmed, I'm going to go short. And again, I'm taking that $1, $2, $2.50 off the trade, and I'm going to call it a trade. I'm going to call it a day. That trade can potentially set you up for your week's P&L. So again, if you're not, someone who wants to take a million trades off the open, you kind of want to be a little bit more patient. That's going to be a great level to kind of watch for this coming week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live and get access to the community and watch lists and the courses and everything, right? One-on-one coachings, that link is down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys all next week.